Hey friends, if you get the path too long error while extracting zip files in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now, here's the thing. There are many resolutions to the registry editor and everything, but I'll give you a very simple shortcut. Simply search for this tool called 7-zip in the Windows search bar and then go to the 7-zip page and then go and download the 64-bit version for your computer. Download and install it. It needs a while. Let the installer run. It will need a few seconds. Click on install and then click on close. Now once it is installed, to extract any file, or here's what you have to do. Okay, right click on it, select show more options, select 7-zip, select extract files, and then click on OK, and it will extract the files. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.